In this video, we'll be telling about how to create new account in Threads application. This is Twitter-like application from Meta, that means Instagram and Facebook. To start new Threads account, what you need to do is download Threads application. After that, open Threads application. When you are opening Threads application, you can see an interface like this. Here you can see your Instagram account. You should log in with your Instagram account. If this is the Instagram account with which you want to create new Threads account, you can select this account. Or if you want to change, here you can see switch profile option, click on this option and select the profile with which you want to create Threads profile. If it is any other profile, down here you can see login with another Instagram account. You can log into that account and select that account. For example, I am selecting this account. After selecting that account, now here you can see some options. You cannot change your profile name. If you want to change your profile name, you should change that in Instagram. If you want to upload profile photo, just click on this button and you can upload profile photo. If you want to upload new profile photo, you can select new profile picture. Or if you want to import it from Instagram, click on import from Instagram. If you want to add bio, you can add bio. Or if you want to add any YouTube or Facebook link, you can add that also. Or if you want to import these details from your Instagram, just click on import from Instagram and everything will be added automatically. Anyways, after that, above you can see next button, click on this next button. And when you are clicking on that, you will reach a page like this. If you want to make this a public profile, you can select public profile. That means everyone can see your threads and everyone can interact with you. Or if you want to make it private, just click on private profile. After that, only your followers can see your post. And you should approve your request, then only they will become your followers. You can select whichever you want. For example, I am selecting public profile. After that, click on this continue button and when you are clicking on that, you can see a page like this. Down here you can see join threads, click on join threads. When you are clicking on that, your profile will be ready. After that, down here you can see profile option. When you are clicking on that, you can see your profile. So this way you can easily create new Threads account. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.